Welcome to today's Explainer. We're plunging right into the tense, heavily monitored frontier of 2026 crypto regulation.
Do you actually think your wallet is safely hidden in the shadows? Man, that's a fatal assumption.
Look, the era of crypto anonymity is officially dead. Like a heavy digital lock snapping shut, they see everything.
That old blind spot? Gone. Regulators in dark capital offices have the market in an absolute vice grip right now.
With Form 1099-D, your brokers are legally mandated to send every single trade detail straight to the government.
So, universal accounting is completely obsolete. We're stepping into a strict wallet-by-wallet cost-basis reality here.
Missing your transfer records? Yikes, the IRS will treat your cost basis as zero, taxing the whole withdrawal as profit.
Now, the SEC has officially drawn a line in the sand, classifying exactly 16 cryptos as legal digital commodities.
So Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have legal armor, but thousands of unregistered altcoins face some really harsh, imminent delistings.
And the sweep continues. The Genius Act just launched a totally brutal crackdown on DeFi and stablecoins.
Issuers now need strict one-to-one backing, and platforms are literally banned from paying out any passive yield.
You can see compliant USDC quickly winning investor trust, while USDT is actively shrinking amid severe, tense audits.
Plus, DeFi protocols now use embedded compliance hooks to automatically block high-risk users from making any swaps at all.
Think fleeing offshore works? Nope. Europe's MiCA regulation just dropped a massive, inescapable net over the global market.
July 1st, 2026 is the hard deadline, folks, and it's already triggering huge shifts in global liquidity.
MiCA actually demands 60% of reserves be in banks. This is forcing massive token delistings across global exchanges.
So, who actually survives this squeeze from dark government offices? Let's check out the new portfolio efficiency frontier.
ETFs and real-world assets are the big winners, while privacy coins and unregistered altcoins face brutal market penalties.
The window to protect your assets is closing fast. You absolutely need an immediate, three-step action plan right now.
First, reconcile records since 2024. Then, audit your stablecoins and rotate capital into compliant, legally recognized digital commodities.
Will you build a compliant portfolio today or wait for a tense IRS freeze? The choice is completely yours.